Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we will compare Fidelity Crypto and Coinbase in 2025. So both lets you buy and sell crypto. So which one is actually better for you? Which one should you choose? Let's just break it down in today's video. So if I talk about Fidelity Crypto, so Fidelity Crypto is part of the Fidelity Investments app. With the help of it, you can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some of other coins starting from just $1. It is very secure, and most of the funds are kept in the cold storage. Fees is also very simple, which is a flat 1% spread on the trades. The only downside that I would like to mention is that it has a limited number of coins, and no advanced trading tools are there. It is mainly for beginners or for long term investors. Now here, if I talk about Coinbase, so Coinbase is a dedicated crypto exchange. It supports over 200 coins and has advanced charting tools, staking rewards, and even a debit card. But fees can be higher and vary depending on the payment method, usually between 1% to 4%. Now, security is also strong here with insurance for the assets in the hot wallets. It is better for people who want more features and flexibility. So now is the time for answering the question, which is which one should you pick. So you can pick Fidelity if you already use Fidelity for stocks, and if you want a way to hold the cryptos as well, or if you are interested in a retirement account option. You can go with Coinbase if you want more coins, if you want to access more advanced tools, and don't mind paying a bit of extra in fees. So that's it. That's it for this Fidelity Crypto versus Coinbase video. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section below which one are you going to prefer. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.